Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blink using any hero in Dota. To do so, you first need to hop into a game and then click on your shop, and on the search bar, search for Blink Dagger, which is right over here. As you can see, it'll cost you 20 to 50 gold. Buy it. Now, to use it, press the hotkey dedicated to your Blink Dagger. As you can see, mine is on space. And then click on the direction you want to blink. Like so. And it'll go on a 15-second cooldown. I'm going to show it to you once again. Press the hotkey for Blink Dagger. And then press on the direction you want to blink. Like so. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!